Welcome back everybody to Aussienut's channel. I just want to run through a very short video showing you that you can now see clips on any video that has been made. Usually you have your community send you the clips on your Discord or in a DM or post it somewhere so you can grab them later on and have a bit of fun with them. But now YouTube is catching up with the rest of the platforms and they've now thrown them in each of the live section. I do not believe this has got to do with shorts as of right now. But if you click on any video and go to the clips, you'll be able to see who created the clip, the title of it, the date and the timestamps. And as you can see here, I'm going to go through a couple of these. Chef talking. That was by me. Got scammed. Starfield extended warranty is never good. And just one more. I just wanted to show you guys real quick. So as you can see, there's a lot of folks taking clips. What date, you know, they can go back in 2 days later and clip something for you and you can make a collage or something really cool. But again, I believe this is for live and videos mainly, but I went back a few, I don't know if there's a couple here. Let me see. I went back to a couple of them just to check. And there was a clips on some older ones that I didn't know were there. So it's pretty cool to go back and see what your community is clipping, what they found funny or cringe or, you know, anything like that. So I just want to give you guys a heads up that it's there. Please check it out. Go back to all your videos and see what folks have created for you and may have forgotten to send or didn't know to send to you. You just never know what's there. So, all right, guys, that's a quick tip for you. Please go and enjoy yourselves. You're awesome. Keep creating content and I'll talk to you again soon. Have a good one. Uru.